What is going on, guys? Chris Rednick here, and today is another day. Well, it's actually the same day as yesterday. If you guys haven't watched that video, definitely go check it out. We stayed up all night. Chris and I, his Instagram's right here, working on the Ricer Miata so we can officially give it to Harvey, so he can cut up my manifold and he can weld the V-band so we can run our Garrett V-band turbo and V-band downpipe as well with, I don't even think I've explained this to you yet, but we are running an external wastegate on the Ricer Miata, and before it was just a normal actuator and it went down the downpipe. Now we are doing a screamer pipe. It is going straight out the hood. It's gonna be super gnarly. I can't believe I've never explained that to you, but I'm currently running on zero sleep. It is currently 12:09 p.m. So I am going on, like, I'm gonna say 35 hours of no sleep. And to be honest, yeah, I'm tired, but it's like I needed to get so many things done, and I was really excited to start working on the Ricer Miata, and I haven't really been excited about a lot of things recently, and I figured since I was excited, might as well enjoy it, bang it out, and try to get it done as quick as possible. And I think we are doing a great job. But I wanted to start this video at the gas station because, like, it's mandatory to wear masks anywhere you go. So I throw my mask on, and, like, I'm walking through the store, and, like, my mustache starts hurting, or, like, my upper lip, and I'm like, what the fuck? And I'm like, it's like stinging and burning, and I thought it was like in my head because I just got no sleep, and I'm like itching, and I'm like, what the fuck's going on? And it's just stinging. And I get out, I pull the mask off, I have a red fire ant just chilling on my upper lip, dude, just biting me every like 10 seconds. I'm like, this mother effer. So I don't know, I just thought that was funny. And if you are living in a state that requires masks everywhere, which honestly I think everywhere does right now, check your masks for fire ants or anything dangerous like that.
America!
How's your day going, dude?
America.
You're loving it.
Yes. You know, courtesy of Ruddy, I don't get a day off these days.
Nah. Hey, you wanted to come for the ride, dude.
Actually, I wanted to go spend some time with Ruddy.
Yeah,
we're spending quality time,
This
guys.
is it, man. We're not even working. We're just spending quality time.
Hold on, this is how we do it.
Oh my God. You're pretty flexible.
Yeah, especially for the bad knee, right?
Yeah,
Check it out.
You got all dirty, dude.
That wasn't me. That was
No,
me.
I know.
I'll clean it for you.
Oh, thanks, man. Are you filming a clip right now?
Yeah, why not? Some random ass.
Okay, dude, I don't care.
Fuck it. We're on our way to
Havoc Speed.
Havoc Speed. What are we getting at Havoc Speed?
Just a 2.5-inch V-band. That's it.
So we came all this way for a 2.5-inch V-band. You know what needs to happen? We all need to tell Ruddy, now that he's maturing and becoming Ruddy spec.
Physically and mentally. That's what I'm doing. I'm growing physically and mentally. Think about that. I'm growing physically.
Physically for sure. Mentally, capacity is still getting there.
Getting the hairs in my chest, dude.
If they come too many, you get gray like me. But the truth is, we need to put maybe a couple extra V-bands at the shop so you don't have to worry about it.
I mean, that's not a bad suggestion. They're just a little pricey.
Ah, well, maybe have one extra. But, you know, who the hell knows what I'm talking about? I'm just a painter. All right, boys, we got the V-band. We are about to get to Harvey's right now, and he will be good to just grind out for the weekend. I just forgot this one piece, so. Everybody I listened to him. I did get 2 extras. Hey, I'm actually proud of him. He's growing at a rate that's unimaginable. mentally.
And physically, dude?
Physically, you grew a little bit.
Oh, dang.
When I'm losing, you're gaining.
Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. AC life. Man, so Harvey is already straight to work. You're already cutting the manifold. Dude, straight out the hood. That's right, man. You ready for that screamer pipe?
Up dump, baby.
I am excited for that. And Harvey also made that heat shield. He's gonna be trying to route that today, dude. It's a good day, man. I still haven't slept.
Yeah, go fucking take a nap, bro.
Dude, I can't, man.
Too excited?
I'm too excited. I can't wait. I'm hyped on this thing. They're already getting right into business, boys. Turbo's on. They're mocking things up. That V-band came in handy, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect timing.
Dude, seriously, he's like, where's the V-band? I'm like,
and I roll up, dude.
Like, what? I'm like, that guy.
Yeah. Adventures with Tommy the Painter over here, huh?
Yeah.
We're at Tractor Supply, finally fixing my trailer. I don't know why, but I'm motivated when I have no sleep. Yep. Yo, should we buy this right now?
I think we should.
Ball out, dude?
I think we should. I go get mine. You'll get the chrome and I get mine. We'll rip it.
How fast does this thing go?
Probably slower than mine.
Yeah, junk. $33.99.
I think this is, ooh, it's kind of heavy, dude.
Yeah, it's heavy duty, bro.
It's not bad, dude. We'll see how long this one lasts.
Yeah.
This is definitely going to be the next mod for the truck, because now that we're going to Connecticut, it's really hard to find 85. And if I can get a 100-gallon tank in the back of my truck, the only reason why I'm not buying this right now is because it's steel and I want aluminum.
Does it matter though when you're up there, the chemical compounds, because you know they put additives in all the fuels?
Dude, I'm gonna fill it up here.
Right, but you're still running different air ratios and
yeah, no, as long as it's not like Colorado, like the elevation's not that different,
cool.
so it's fine. I've driven my cars in Connecticut, but I need aluminum one. If anyone's local to West Palm Beach and wants to sell one, hit me up on Instagram right here.
Listen, all my hillbilly friends, come up with an aluminum one, because our boy needs one.
Hook a homie up.
He damn sure needs one.
I do.
He would like an L just like this.
Doesn't matter what it is, as long as it's not.
Weld up some junk.
No,
he'll
okay,
take
never mind. No. As long as it's not this. I don't want this square piece of garbage. All right, so Tommy's a true man when it comes to fish, dude. You gonna touch the thing? Oh, jeez, dude, you go in, huh? Wow. You're putting me to shame, dude. Shoot, now I want to do it. Oh God, I'm scared.
Here, go. You got this, go.
You were looking at you though. You didn't get my reaction.
All right, go. All right,
I can't do it, dude.
Just put it on his head, see?
You got scared.
No, watch. He's snapping. Watch. This is the one I want to touch.
Wow, dude, you're going in. Look at this sucker texting on his motorcycle. Look at this guy. I guess I'm not any better because I'm filming him breaking the law while I'm breaking the law, filming him. But at least I'm still paying attention to oh, he put it away. Okay. Oh, he's got it back out. What are you gonna, oh, he's putting it away. Survey says, do I hear it again? All right, he got away with it. Texting on a street bike. I'm gonna go find a cop. Sick, I actually found one and he's just parked here. I'm gonna pull up next to him. Oh God, I'm coming up on him hard. I got no sleep. Excuse me, officer. Hey, how you doing? I'd like to report a crime.
What's the crime?
This guy on his street bike was texting at a red light. And like, he made me wait there and then I actually missed my light. The only description I have is a yellow bike.
Alright, I'll go look for him.
Okay, thank you. And you got the stuff?
Yep.
Can I get the stuff?
Get the stuff. Alright, 2 meals a day for 4 days. Go to Publix.
Oh my God, dude. I'm spilling it.
Go to Publix and grab like a sauce that you like that flavors it up a little bit. Jog in the morning, speed walk, and that's it. And for the other 3 days, just go to a restaurant and get something healthy.
Okay, I hired Joey as my personal trainer slash chef. Dude, it's even got like ingredients and stuff.
That's it. It's all in there. I cooked it.
Well, I got a legit question for you.
Oh God.
You're a cop, right?
Oh, no, not yeah, apparently.
What's the law on driving tired?
Driving tired?
Yeah. Is there a law behind that?
No, you shouldn't just drive tired though. It's unsafe.
So, I mean, I'm not saying I'm tired.
Go drink a Red Bull.
No, I'm not saying I'm tired. I was just wondering if there was a law.
No, I mean, you're not under the influence or anything, so you have to be careful. Driving, okay?
Well, thank you for being my personal trainer.
Yeah, anytime. Let me know how you like it.
Okay. So you guys probably know Joey. That's Joey400. I'll put his Instagram right here. But yeah, I seriously did hire him as like my personal trainer. I guess I didn't hire him as my personal trainer. He just offered because he makes meal preps every week, and he offered to make some for me because he's a nice guy. The whole street bike bit was totally random. I just saw him texting, and then I realized I was meeting up with Joey, and I'm just tired. Trust me, I'm 100% okay to drive. Like seriously, like I'm good. But it was just funny. I'm just in a good mood. I don't know. I swear I'm funny. Everything's funny. I swear to God, I'm in a better mood when I don't sleep, which
It usually is the opposite for people. Usually people are super grumpy, super irritated, like don't want to do anything. Like I'm actually just gonna go to the shop right now just to see what everyone's doing because like, why not? I don't want to fall asleep until like 11 because I think it would be kind of pointless because honestly waking up, okay, first off, if you guys haven't watched yesterday's video, definitely go watch it right now. Me and my friend Chris, I'll pop his Instagram up right here, grinded all night on the Rice Miata, man, because we are just trying to get that car done, and Chris honestly helped me so much. So big shout out to him, and definitely go watch it because I think it was funny. We added some parodies with Frillo's interview with Anton and I, and like, I don't know, I just think it's funny. Maybe it's because I'm really tired, but like, me personally, I was like crying throughout the lot of the video. I'm just tired, man. And I might be going a little insane, but if this is what insane is, sign me up because I'm all full of laughter. I can't believe I'm actually at the shop right now. What the fuck is going on here? This dude's got a full shop and he's working under, oh God, what the hell? It's a party here. Okay, all right. I'm gonna scare him. When he's done with the welder. Marcus Parks, dude.
Why are you back here?
How are you, my friend?
Not bad.
Did I scare you?
What are you doing?
Just enjoying life.
Not go to sleep yet?
No, I can't go to sleep until like 11. You welding Brett's diff?
Yeah.
You going drifting tonight, dude?
Maybe.
Maybe. I like the sound of that. All right, all right. They're making good progress here. Okay. I don't know why they're not just using a lift, but I'll get. All right, guys, just to prove that everything's good in the neighborhood, we got this scooter right here. I just want to see if I still got it. To be honest, I didn't expect to come back out. I was just editing yesterday's video, and I'm doing a sponsorship right now, but then Joey said he had it in my meal prep, so check this out, dude. Brett, call a trick.
Bar to whip.
Bar to whip. Oh!
Oh.
That was sloppy. What's next? Go power hour.
Truck.
Truck! I can't even truck normal. All right, 5 whips. Shit. I'm missing every one. Dude, I don't got it no more.
Steve heel whip.
I can't heel whip.
What?
Dude, not bad. Wait, heel whip you want?
Yeah, heel whip.
I'm not even wearing socks, dude.
Dude, how are you not wearing socks?
All my clothes are in the laundry. I already can't breathe. Don't get fat. Maybe I am a little tired.
Woo.
Not bad, dude. You trying to play Scoo?
No. Probably just as tired as you are. Fuck that.
All right, I'm gonna go throw up in the bathroom. See ya. Good afternoon, everyone. All right, so it is the following day right now. I got 15 hours of sleep. Not sure that's a good thing. I wanted to wake up earlier, but man, I was so comfortable in bed. The house could be burning down and I wasn't getting up. Anyways, I am absolutely mind blown right now because, you know, I got out of bed. I'm just relaxing, watching some Scotty. I haven't watched him in like 2 weeks. I just haven't been on YouTube, which is weird. He's my freaking YouTuber. And I was eating Joey's meal prep, catching up on some bike videos, and Harvey texted me. He was like, yo, when you picking this thing up? I'm like, you done? He's like, yeah, dude, we got a deadline. Let's go. And I'm like, dude, say less. So now we are heading to the shop. We're gonna grab the trailer. And I mean, I guess we're going to pick up the Rice Miata. I actually cannot believe this dude is done with the car. Follow Harvey right here, dude. Awesome fabricator, awesome guy. And I mean, this is proof. If you got a deadline, that dude's gonna meet it. All right, guys, so we got the truck and Mac Little. We are going to Harvey's, Hutch's Welding right now to pick up the Rice Miata. Dang, man, I'm like so stoked about this thing. I totally forgot to film, but hey, Rice Miata's done, dude. Harvey and his team absolutely killed this thing. I can't wait to go back to the shop. I just want to get it there before it rains because there's no battery and the windows are down and stuff, so I want to get it back in the shop before it gets all moldy and crap. But dude, hailed it. I cannot believe it's already done. Here, I'll give you a little sneak peek, dude. Screamer pipe, baby. That's here life.
All right, guys, so we just got back to the shop and I am so excited to show you what Harvey did. So check this out. So before this manifold, it was a 4-bowl turbo manifold, and he made it into a V-band because we got the V-band 2867, and he actually didn't have to modify any of the intercooler piping. It actually, like, the turbo sat identical to what the old 4-bolt turbo sat like, and he made, this was already a V-band downpipe, but he had to extend it. He said this downpipe is only now like 20% CX racing. So it's CX racing with a lot of bit of Harvey touch up. He made this heat shield for me, but I'm a little sad because what do we got to do right now?
We gotta pull it back out.
We got to take it all apart because because if you look at this engine bay, it's pretty, it's beautiful, everything looks good. You go down here, it's getting a little ugly. You know what I mean?
It is. It doesn't match.
It doesn't match. I love that Harvey made this. I love the design of it, but it just doesn't match. So we're gonna take this apart right now. James is gonna ceramic. I think we should keep this though.
Sure.
You think so?
Sure. Yeah,
I kind of like this silver. I love that he did this little teardrop with the teardrop in the hood as well. I'm super excited to burn everything outside. But we gotta take the turbo off, take the downpipe off. James is gonna take the downpipe, the turbo manifold, and the heat shield right now, and he's gonna do that tonight. And we got a lot of work to do. I can't lie to you, man. This kind of breaks my heart that we're already taking everything apart, dude. Just take it. Go, get out of here, dude.
We'll come back looking better.
Yeah, no. Like, this looks cool, but like just having everything, just like,
No, we'll get it all.
just looks like hell, dude.
Look good.
This doesn't belong in the engine bay right now.
Not right now, no.
By the end of tonight, it might.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, the race Miata, she came back sick, and we had to pull her back apart because James is taking that stuff. But I think this is a pretty good end point right now. I would like to get a day ahead so I don't stress myself out and we can bang out some daily content. James has all that stuff, the ceramic coat. Is that James? Oh, that's no one. Dude, you got that Elite?
Yeah, you know.
When's that thing going turbo? What are you doing, man?
This week, man. I mean,
You're
working on
sleeping
the
over
ricer.
here. Yeah, true.
Work on the ricer now.
True. But he's got this. He's got the turbo manifold. He's got the downpipe, and all of that stuff is going to be back. But we're gonna end the video right here. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, and I will see you guys tomorrow because me and Chris, dude, team no sleep over here.
Right.
We're ready to roll. How you feel?
I feel great, buddy.
You're already clawing, dude.
I was fine yesterday.
Good job. Good
I
job.
saw when I got home yesterday.
Dang, that's crazy.
Yeah,
That's
I feel
wild.
great. Not mango.
Yo, team no sleep, you about it?
Yeah, what's up?
Hell yeah, dude, all night.
Do it.
I'll,
Else is new with me.
yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Oh, junk, but I'm not wearing a junk. Bye. All right, guys, so I actually forgot to like film this part of the video, but yesterday we were talking about this Energy Arizona, and I looked in the back of the can, and it has all together, including total sugars and added sugars, it has 137. When I originally did it, I thought I had 135, so I weighed out 135. Chris, dude.
Oh no. Oh my god. Oh,
that is 135
give me the
grams.
can. Dude, it's all sugar.
132%, dude. Or that's what it says. Something crazy like
How
that.
can you have over
132%.
Yeah, so like, wow.
I was always scared to like take a mouthful of that stuff. Someone's gonna be like, "Oh, I got your card number," but that's fired.
Yes. Anyway, that is just
How crazy is that?
unbelievable.
Did you want this?
Not at
No.
all. Not at all. I kind of did want it until this.
Look at this. I didn't buy this to drink it. This was science purposes, okay?
Yeah.
I didn't buy this to drink it, man. I am done. I'm off the energy kick. Even Red Bulls and stuff. I'm gonna go look at the sugar for that. Like, I went to the gas station today. I wanted something other than water. And I'm looking at all these sugars. They're all high. They're all crazy.
Absolutely.
And the fact that like you're putting this in your body, dude, I mean, it's crazy. It's honestly crazy that one drink is all of this. I mean, given it's different types of sugar, but it doesn't even freaking matter.
Yeah,
Sugar.
that's almost worse actually. Right?
Yeah,
Like
probably.
glucose,
Yeah, because this is
fructose.
100% sugar. I just
Yeah.
spilt it all over the place.
Yeah, there's like different types of sugar in that one.
Yeah, but anyways, this was after the outro, so hopefully you enjoyed that, and stay diabetes free.
Right.
Bye.